Hi everyone, today we're in Morocco and we're going to look at a process called baño in Spanish. Stay tuned. Harvest is typically in late September, and then the flower gets stored to dry and cure, and then in December when the weather gets cold, all of the processing starts until they finish. These bags are about 3 meters long, and they can hold about 100 kilos of powdered flower. So this is actually over a tire, and there's a bowl underneath. So there's various qualities. The best quality is clean after every agitation. The second quality is clean at the end of the day. That's all put together. These guys make about 15 euros a day. Yields of first quality are typically less than 5 kilos for every 100 kilos processed. My hypothesis is that this is the only method that works for this flower, not only for the capital or electrical constraints of the area, but more likely because the trichomes do not easily separate from this flower. This is likely due to many factors such as plant nutrition, genetics, and terroir. So many other methods have failed, while this one has succeeded due to its vigorous agitation. This is what comes out of this agitation process. It starts, hard to see the trichomes, but they're there. This is a Mauda table. I guess the season's over, so of course there's nothing left, but that's basically what it looks like. Plates aren't here, but everything falls down and they collect it. But they rub the plates on these tables. These are the drying spaces in this particular facility, because everything's hand dried. And this is last season's biomass. This is what's really left over. So that's a water reservoir, and it's a very steep hill, and you'll notice there's drip irrigation through all of this, and this is all terraced, keep going steep, 45, 60 degree in some places, the incline. All of this is very similar. Most of it is terraced and irrigated. So though it may seem very rural, they've stepped up their game a lot. Mechanical means, or by hand, getting ready to plant. So we're clearing the fields right now for planting. This is late April, and so this is water reservoir up here. And there's all kinds of shapes and sizes of these things. It's an access road, but there's systems of terrace, and then drip irrigation. It is all gravity fed from the big reservoir, and it just works its way down to more terraces that have to be plowed and planted in day. And usually one reservoir feeds another reservoir as you go down the road. But it's just hundreds of plots, and this is just one small portion of the area in general.
On va mettre le soleil, ouais, mais avec on va mettre une cloche dessus.
Tu rends même 3 minutes. Ça prend 15 € ici. Vas-y, regarde. Il faut la prendre direct de la dame.
So these are the little sample packs that we get. So we're doing taste testing of the products that we're offering.
C'est quoi que tu m'as donné? Tu vois, mais regardez, donnez-moi juste avant, s'il te plaît, mon frère. C'est quoi? Mais tu l'as même pas regardé.
Si, mais pas. C'était juste pour la vidéo.
Give you little packs like this, dozens of different little packs. And they all have different strains. Almost in a coffee shop.
Laquelle?
Taste. Sí, pero tiene un montón de verde y cositas. Está bien, está muy bien, pero... Hi everyone, thanks for watching. If you found this video entertaining and you learned something today, please consider supporting us by clicking this button here. Much appreciated.